Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the failed to log in invalid session, try restarting your game error in Minecraft. It's a common issue, but the fix is really simple, just follow along. So if you're getting this error when trying to log into your Minecraft account, here's what to do. First, open your start menu and search for Task Manager. Once it's open, use the search box at the top and type Minecraft. Then right click on both Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher and click End Task. After closing all Minecraft processes, try launching Minecraft again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. If not, try signing out and then signing back into your account. Still not working? No worries. Open your start menu again and search for Control Panel. In the top right, make sure View by is set to large icons. Then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left, choose Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi connection, select Properties, then click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and hit Properties again. At the bottom, switch from Obtain DNS Server Address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Then type 8888 and 8844. Press OK and close the window. Now for the last step, open your start menu again and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Type these two commands one at a time. ipconfig /flush DNS and click Enter. And then net sh winsock reset. Hit enter after each, then restart your computer. Once it boots back up, Minecraft should be working perfectly again. Let me know in the comments if this fixed it for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.